Every year, on the 10th day of December, the world comes together to celebrate Human Rights Day. It is a day of great importance, marking a pivotal moment in history when, on December 10, 1948, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. But did you know that Canada, a nation known for its commitment to justice and equality, played a central role in shaping this remarkable document? The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, with its 30 articles, is a guiding light for all of humanity. It outlines essential rights and freedoms that everyone should have, covering every aspect of life, from civil liberties to economic opportunities. On Human Rights Day, we pay tribute to the dedicated individuals who shaped this document, offering us a shared plan for a fairer, more equal, and kinder world. It emphasizes that every person, regardless of their background, is born with inherent dignity and worth. Let's remember and commit to these principles, working together for a brighter and more just future for everyone.